Critical safety requires the best training. That's why many organizations choose virtual reality to immerse that learner in a first-person perspective and get to see what it's like to be in one of these dangerous situations. Ranging from topics such as PPE gear like fall protection harnesses, gloves, and hard hats for folks out in the field, to emergency response such as stop the bleed or active shooter, all the way down to lockout tagout for different pieces of machinery and equipment. If you're interested in demoing any of these experiences or would like to learn more, feel free to reach out to us directly or at our website, roundtablelearning.com.